Good day. My name is Elmer Olarte, a licensed social worker with a Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I am passionate about empowering individuals, families, and communities to achieve their fullest potential through compassion, advocacy, and service. I completed my degree in social work at Central Philippine University, where I built a strong foundation in social welfare and social work. After graduation, I successfully passed the social work licensure examination, which strengthened my commitment to the profession. Through my fieldwork and professional practice, I have gained valuable experience in casework, group work, and community work. I have developed skills in client assessment, collaboration with agencies and stakeholders. My ability to adapt, listen, and communicate effectively has helped me address diverse clients' needs and work towards sustainable solutions. My strengths include empathy, teamwork, and problem solving. I am also deeply motivated by my advocacy for social justice and inclusivity, ensuring that vulnerable and marginalized groups are given the support and opportunities they deserve. I am eager to bring my knowledge, dedication, and professional skills into meaningful practice as part of your organization. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to the opportunity to serve and grow as a social worker.